I'm out here with my little baby Cinnamon. Come here, Cinnamon. Come here. Say hi to everybody. And I have the Bubble Lick bubble treats. And these are pet and kid friendly. When I saw them, you know, I'm a sucker for this. I had to get them. They're bubbles for dogs. Yes. And this one is maple bacon flavored bubbles. And this one is peanut butter swirl bubbles. So I'm gonna experiment with my little baby here, Cinnamon. Come here, Cinnamon, come here. And we're gonna see if she likes them. And I could not believe it. It says on it, ages 2+. Well, she's only 1, but that's okay. Let me see what else it says on here. Adults, Cinnamon, it says adult supervision. It says adult supervision required. It says if solution gets into your eyes, rinse with water. Do not drink the solution. Lick only in bubble form. Best use at room temperature. And there's nothing in it that's going to harm your furry pet. It says food grade bubbles. So Cinnamon, look at me. Cinnamon, do you want Mommy to put you down? And then, isn't she cute? Do you want Mommy to put you down and you could try to catch some bubbles and see if you like them? Let me open this. Let's see. Look. Watch. Oh no! Wait, I gotta blow the bubbles. Watch. No, look. Want to go get it? Go get the bubbles. Go down. Oh! I was in the food store. Here, Cinnamon. You like them? Yeah. And I couldn't resist. I mean, why can't dogs have bubbles too? Right? And the kids. Here, and I'm getting all wet. Ready? Oh, you want those? You want the peanut butter ones? That's the peanut butter. Here, you want the maple bacon flavored bubbles. So the kids can go outside and play with the dog and they can all have fun with the bubbles. Here we go, Cinnamon. Ready? Ready? Here. Ready? Here goes. Wait a minute. You want the bubbles. Let me get some more bubbles out. Ready? Whoa! Let's go that way. Wow, there's a big one. Look. Ready, Cinnamon? Look. Mommy has bubbles. Sit down. Sit down. Can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. Here, sit. Good girl. You ready? Here we go. Get the bubbles. Whoa! Go get them. Here. Whoop. Cinnamon, look. Woo! Try to see if she likes them. Woo! Here. Look at Mommy. Look at me. Look at Mommy. She's waiting for them. Oh, get it. Here. Go get it. Go get it. Ready? I want her to face the camera. Here. Woo! I think she likes them. They smell exactly like maple bacon. Here, okay, ready, Cinnamon? Here goes. Here goes. Woo! Whoa! Cinnamon, here we go. Here we go, ready? Whoa, go get them! Cinnamon, get the bubbles. Go get them. Whoa. Come on. I think I better blow them. He's waiting. Give me the bubble. Hey, here we go. Look, Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Here. Whoa, get it. You like it? Here. Whoa, over there. Go get them. Here, ready? You like them? This is the maple bacon. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, ready? Oh, let's get some more in there. Here we go. Oh, what's going on? Ready? What is going on with these? Here we go. Now I'm all wet, of course. Why wouldn't I be? Because I'm just a kid at heart. But anyway, welcome to my channel, the Baking Diva. This is not a baking video. This is just a fun video with me and my little baby over there, Cinnamon. And yes, I did name her Cinnamon because of the color she was when we got her, but also because I'm the Baking Diva and I use a lot of cinnamon and I thought it was cute. So anyway, if you're in the food store and you see these, pick them up. Bubble treats for pets and kids. And I think they might have had another flavor, but I'm not sure. I just picked up these two. The peanut butter swirl and the maple bacon. Woo, get it! Yay, you like it? Here. Whoa, let's do it again. Ready? Ready? Want some maple bacon batter? Want some maple bacon bubbles? Come on, all right, ready? Go get them. Go get them here. Whoa, here we go. Whoa, here's more cinnamon. Look, here. Get them. Over cinnamon. Here. These smell like peanut butter. Cinnamon, look. Whoa, here it comes. Look it. Get it, get it. Look, over here. Mommy's got it. Whoa, you like them? Here. Whoa. Look. Yeah. Here, ready? 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 Go, go. Whoa. Here, cinnamon. Want another one? Here. Here we go. Whoa. It is very nice out here today. It's just the sky is blue and the clouds are white, but it is a little breezy and the sun has gone down. So anyway, dog bubbles. Yes, there is such a thing. And go outside while the weather's nice before we get the horrible snow in the winter and play with your fur baby and let them have fun with their dog bubbles. So thanks for stopping by. You know I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe and make a comment. Have you bought any dog bubbles for your dog? If not, what's the matter with you? And even though Christmas is in the winter, wouldn't these be cute to put in your little dog's Christmas stocking? So anyway, I will see you soon. I'm gonna head on over. Cinnamon, come here, come here. Can you give mommy kisses? Cinnamon. Oh, can you say bye to everybody? Say bye-bye. Kissing. You kissing mommy. Say bye everybody. Say buy your doggy some bubbles. Say I like my doggy bubbles. Right, Cinnamon? Are you a cute girl? Gonna give mommy a kiss? Mommy give a kiss? Mommy give a kiss? Oh. She's very lovable. She's a terror. She's a handful. But she is lovable. Right, Cinnamon? Right. Okay, say bye everybody. Thanks for watching. Say love you all. 2 thumbs up.